upon a time, in a small sunny village, there was a young boy named Tim. Tim had two best friends, a gentle cow named Bella and a playful goat named Gary. Together, they shared many adventures in the vast meadows surrounding their home. One sunny morning, Tim discovered that the village's prize apple tree, known for its sweetest fruits, had started to wither. The villagers were puzzled and saddened by this sudden change. Tim, Bella, and Gary decided they would find a way to save the tree. With determination, they set off on their quest. They travelled through thick forests and crossed sparkling streams, searching for the rare sunshine flower, known to have the power to heal any plant. After a day full of adventures and facing challenges, they finally found the flower on a cliff, glowing with a light as bright as the sun itself. Carefully, they brought the sunflower back to the village and planted it beside the withering apple tree. Miraculously, the tree began to recover, sprouting fresh green leaves and blooming with the biggest, juiciest apples the village had ever seen. The villagers cheered for Tim, Bella, and Gary, celebrating their bravery and teamwork. From that day on, the trio was known as the heroes of the meadow, and the apple tree became a symbol of their unbreakable friendship,